guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review and probably a ringtone video as well on the LG AX390. This phone came out in 2006 on Alltel and US Cellular. Today we're going to be looking at the Alltel version. Next, let's go around the box real quick. There's one on the sides, the front of the box, the other side. Tells you what comes in the box. The bottom just has some barcodes as well as some things the phone would be equipped with. And then the back. So that'd be it from the box. Inside you have the user guide in English and in Spanish. You would have a proprietary LG charging port at the time. There it is. 1 amp output source. Here you'd have the phone, the back, and the battery. It is a 1000 milliamp hour battery. It claimed at the time 3 hours of talk time and 114 hours of standby time. There's the label of the device. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and peel off the speaker cover so we'll be able to hear the speaker later on. I'm going to put it over here on the box so I can use it later. Alright, on the front of the display we have a 96 by 64 pixel front display in color. I'm going to leave this blue sticker on there, so that's why it'd be blue, but it is a color display. You also have your front speaker, which also doubles as your speakerphone. On the left side, you have volume rockers, and I'm pretty sure it's a speakerphone key. You also have a text to talk, I think that is, key. And then your earphone cover, which is a 2.5 millimeter headphone jack adapter. On the bottom, you have your proprietary LG charging port with the included charger would use. On the right side, you have your speakerphone key actually, so I think this might be the voice command. I'll double check for sure though. And you see speakerphone key on that side. I don't think it has a pull-out antenna. It does not. Opening it up, you have a 128 by 128 pixel display. You do have a plastic build keypad that lights up in blue. You have your button to push the back cover off on the rear. Here it is open. It's a pretty small phone. Only weighs 106 grams. Let's go and take a look at the ringtones. Actually, let's see what this button does real quick. Yeah, the button on the left side is your voice command key underneath the volume buttons. At the top. guys. That looks to be actually... Don't remember if we did those or not. And earlier I said this was the text to talk or something like that. It's actually the touch to talk compatibility thing that Alltel was doing. I don't think it'll work without data. Yeah, since it's not activated. So let's see what happens. And it's going to need data to go through, but yeah, that's what it was though. Let's also take a look at some of the wallpapers, see if the text messages used a different ringtones. So you vibrate. Don't look like it would change, yeah. You just get little separate options for text messages. Power on and off. You can also do a list on the menu style. You got blue, green, and violet. Here's green, and then violet. I prefer the blue though. Let's go back to the wallpapers. There'd be the default Alltel wallpaper. Another one. This animated. And this one is in green. That'd be all the wallpapers you got. Let's see. You could also take a look at. I don't know if the access apps will work because we have no data. This was your talk or your touch to talk, which won't work. It held 500 contacts minus the 5 that's already pre-installed from Alltel. You could delete those though as well. Recent calls and your text messages. You could create a quick one real quick. And you'd be like, and that's how you do it, just like that. You hit send, and won't go through because we have no data though, and no internet, no calling or anything like that. There you go, it's a quick unboxing as well as the ringtones, wallpaper, and going through all the menus. I hope you guys like this style a little bit better on the reviews. That's how they'll probably be from now on. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next one.